Hello people, it's Zan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. Following this idea, I have brought you a list of 10 tokens that are on top on biggest gainer on CoinMarketCap. So in today's video, I would show you that why this token is getting up and what are the project fundamentals and everything, etc. So starting with our number one, which is called Triple X and Nifty. They have changed their contract address, as you can see here. So the trigger is NSFW and the price is 0.30126 and it's been up 15,000%. That's amazing token. As you can see that the last 24-hour trading volume is $614,000 and the fully diluted market cap is 8.7 million. And you can see the crazy pump here, like boom, it goes all the way here. Let's have a better view in the 1 day chart. As you can see, it goes here, and a little dip. People sell their tokens, but now I found its support and now it's static. So main market use can buy this token is PancakeSwap. And let's hop onto their website. So this is their website, which is named as XXX Nifty, and you can see they are an NFT platform focused on adult content. They are changing the way fans interact with their favorite adult content creators. That's why it's on 15,000 plus. And throughout NFTs, they allow adult content creators to sell unique collectible videos and photos. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind content in the form of an NFT, which gives you access to a unique physical item used in the video or photo. And they are creating a completely new way to interact with your favorite adult performer. Wow. So you will be able to buy NFTs, tip adult content performer, and get access to exclusive streams and content by owning NSFW tokens. So this is their use case, and people are mad about it. So, so that's going up for their website. Good token. Let's hop on to our next token, which is named as Path Fund. The Path Fund ticker is Path, and the price is super low. It's like you can buy a lot of token for $1. And the top gain percentage is 219%, and as you can see, the 24-hour trading volume is 1.5 million. It's been up to 64%, and the fully diluted market cap is 29.9, almost 30 million. And you can see the chart here. It is overall a bullish graph. And let's have a look at the 1 day chart. So it's like going static and broke this resistance level and broke again, and it's static here. It will go further than this. And let's see the fundamentals. Why is it growing? And the market people used to buy this is PancakeSwap. So their website has loaded up, as you can see on your screen, like a DeFi currency on BSC platform with total tax of 9% sustaining the project and rewarding hodlers, 3% redistributed to the hodlers, and 3% added to the liquidity, 3% added to the funding wallet. So that's how transaction goes. They have their own decentralized launchpad. So we have a history of launchpad doing good. And as for BSC launchpad and etc., they will identify the key issues serious projects are facing at the launch due to the increasing number of scam token trust and reach out and funds. Path Fund aims to be a trusted launchpad. Will also sponsor the project. It launches with fund for marketing campaigns. Projects would be verified and audited thoroughly in order to ensure buyer safety. Once a project passes all the verification, it would then get launched and receive fund from the Path Fund to ensure steady growth. So they are a launchpad, and they're providing a good launching platform here, and they are providing funds and everything that for a steady growth. So that's a good use case here. So that's why people are taking interest in this project. Let's hop on to our third number token, which is named as Safe Zone, and the price is super low, like it's 0.002, and the up percentage is 198%. The overall chart looks quite bearish to me, but now it's regaining its position. As you can see here, it hop on to all the way here, and it's been up almost 200%. And the main market people use to buy Safe Zone token is PancakeSwap, IndoX, Hotbit. So that's good. Exchanges are there for you to buy it. Let's see their fundamentals, that how it runs. So it's built on BNC Smart Chain, so it's a BEP20 token. Buy and hodl Safe Zone, and you will automatically get more in your wallet. We call that passive income of reflection. No need to farm, stake, or claim. So you can buy it on PancakeSwap, and the Hotbit is also mentioned here. So liquidity is locked, and they are already passed audit from TechRate. So it's completely rock proof. Zone is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts application that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, and or third-party interference. So here they have shown how to buy it. It's high speed and low cost, no more middlemen, easy entry and fair competition, fair deals only, protection from hacking, global P2P trade financing, cost effective real time database. So these are some good use cases of it, as you can see. So here you can create a tradable digital token that can be used as a currency, a representation of an asset, a virtual share, a proof of membership, anything at all. So these tokens are use a standard coin API. So your contract will be automatically compatible with any wallet, other contract or exchange. Also using this standard, the total amount of token in circulation can be set to a simple fixed amount or fluctuate based on any program rule set. So these are quite interesting use cases of this project. And let's hop on to number 4, which is called medical chain. So they have the price is 0.02 and the supply is 500 million. Not very much because other tokens have 5 billion, trillion, quadrillion tokens. So that's why the price is a little high here, and it's been up to 14%. Overall, the graph, as you can see, looks bearish to me, but it's regaining its position in 1-day chart. As you can see, here it grows and a little dip found its support, and it goes up, breaking all the resistance. So people are taking interest in this project. You can buy it on Huobi Global, Gate.io, Bitfinex, and Huobi Korea. It's on number 939 on CoinMarketCap. So with all that competition, getting to this position is not an easy thing. So their aim is to put the patient in control of their medical data, giving them the power to share the single most comprehensive version of their record with every organization in their medical network. Fragmented, siloed patient records create inefficiencies and inaccuracies across the breadth of the healthcare system. Medical Chain uses blockchain technology to securely manage health records for collaborative, smart approach to healthcare. So that's a good use case. As you can see that you can make a record on blockchain and you can transfer it to your doctor or the hospital you are going to. So that's amazing. Pharmaceutical and research companies, patient at the center, medical insurance, developer and monetizing health records. So that's quite amazing project, as you can see. So that's why it's gaining, because fundamentals are very important for a crypto project. Number 5, we have Shiba Cash. I have already made a detailed video on this one, but as you can see, it's again on biggest gainer, so it's a hidden gem. And the price is super low. You can buy a lot of token for just $1, and it's been up 160%, and the 24-hour trading volume is 1 million with a up percentage of 1400%, and that's amazing. And with the amount of this much tokens on the market, the price is still good. Overall, the all-time chart looks a roller coaster to me, but now it's have touched it at all-time high, as you can see in the 1-day too. So this is their all-time high, and people sold their tokens here, but it found its support here, like it didn't came all the way here. So that's amazing. People mainly buy it on PancakeSwap version 2. A lot of BEP20 tokens are first released on PancakeSwap, so that's nice. Their original Shiba Cash fair launch with 65% of total supply burned to CZ and the remaining 35% sent to the PancakeSwap liquidity. Best of all, no developer token. They offer the exact tokenomics of the original Shiba Inu token, no gimmicks. So it's a fair launch, a burnt LP tokens, contract audit. All tokens were released in circulation as a fair launch. This means no reserve tokens or big developer wallets. So that's good, because it can change the game as developer have a lot of tokens. Here's something about how to buy it on PancakeSwap. So if you want a video on Shiba Cash, I will pin it down in the description box. You can check it out. I have already made it on that. Hop on to number 6. It's named as BAAS, and the token ticker is BAAS, which is BAAS, and the price is good for this much circulating supply, for 5.5 billion. So the price is still good, and it's been up 2% as you can see the chart here. It was nothing here, and and on March 15th to April 14th it have seen a lot of pump here, but now it's coming back to its old position, but now it didn't came all the way like here to 0.06, so it's maintaining its position here, a more of roller coaster to me, and now it's regaining again, so it has touched its all-time high before. That's nice. It has been listed on Ace, IndoX, Hotbit, Coin1, and let's hop onto their website. It's on number 505. That's good. So blockchain information security CIA +1. Where it go? Okay. Protecting every single part of your information security. Basit Soteria Security storage application providing four major protection of confidentiality, integrity, and availability and non-repudiation of data security. There are OTP solutions like one-time password, data security solution, blockchain solution for enterprise. So it has been years since blockchain technology was invented. All of the government of advanced countries and multinational corporations are exploring and developing application of blockchain technology, and financial technology application has been the leader of blockchain technology. Besides, in other industry field, they notice that the blockchain technology may bring technology revolution to their own industry. So they are doing on that. They are doing work on that, and their cases are here, study cases that where they have worked. They have a YouTube video and everything. So this was all about this project. Number 7, we got Earth token. So let's hop on to this one. The price is super low. It's been up 117%, and the 24-hour trading volume is $64,000. It's been up for 35%, so that's amazing. And you can see the all-time chart here. It looks a good chart, but it has touched its all-time high, but never seen again like it. It was touched on June 1st, and today is June 9th. So with gaining this percentage, it may cross its all-time high for now, and you can see that it's recovering its position, not coming down. A little dip here, but it's okay for a crypto market. It's a Web20 token, so you can buy it on PancakeSwap v2. This is their website, earth.finance, as you can see on the screen, and here is their buy on PancakeSwap live chart. It has been listed on CoinGecko, BlockTools, and CoinMarketCap. Earth token is a reflectionary Web20 token that uses the reflection model to benefit charity and its holders. It also guarantees the project's longevity. They have built-in mechanism in guarantee funding for charity and marketing. So that mechanism is nice. One of each transaction donated to charity. Okay. On number 8, we have Galaxium. So Galaxium ticker is GLXM, and it's been up 110%, and the price is super low, and the last 24-hour trading volume is nice, 1.9 million with up percentage of 100%, and the fully diluted market cap is 297 million. So it's been up 111%, and you can see the chart here. So overall it touches its all-time high here on June 9th today. So that's good for this project, and it's going further than that. So people sold their token at this point, but it found support. Other people bought it, so it broke the resistance and goes steady from that. So it's a Web20 token, and you can buy it on PancakeSwap. Let's hop onto their website. So there are some contract address, charts, and buy now mentioned here. A lot of social currency designed for positive impact on communities and less fortunate around the world. A decentralized finance global payment solution built on lightning fast opening source code, providing safe, secure, and seamless transaction with bulletproof BSC technology. So a global consortium of developer and crypto enthusiasts with decades of investing expertise. So it's a community driven and user centric platform which with exciting development projects with dividend invested back into local charitable endeavors. So this 1% is a dev wallet, 8% goes to the airdrop. This blue one is for team which are locked for 1 year, and the 90% supply is also locked. So 60% is redistributed to a holder, which we call our 5 static reward or reflection or passive income. So that's good for this project. Let's hop on to our number 9. It is named as WGG Trash, and the ticker is YEET, and the price is 0.00071. So it's been up 100%, and the last 24-hour trading volume is $353.2 thousand dollars. So these coins I'm showing to you are the biggest gainer, and it have a potential to go further than this. So you should always keep in mind these tokens, that these projects have potential. So the circulating supply is 6.56 billion. For this much supply, the price is still good. And you can see the all-time chart here. So it was launched here on CoinMarketCap, and then it have a massive dip, static period after that, and then it pumped again. But overall the chart is in bearish. As you can see that it's been up here, and it's after that people bought a lot of tokens and sold it. So it's now maintaining its position here. So that's nice. It's listed on Bitfinex, Hotbit, Bilaxy, Bitsonic, Bitstack. So let's hop onto their website. I don't know, but this website is redirected to another token, so I don't know what's happening. Maybe they have changed their name or anything. So let's hop on to number 10. It's named as Epix, and ticker is also Epix. And as you can see, the price is still good, like 0.1, and it has potential. It's still gaining 91% up, and last 24-hour trading volume is $491,000 with up percentage of 11%. And circulating supply is 120 million, and it touches its all-time high on 0.6. Now it's on 0.1, so it's coming all the way back here. So as you can see, the potential here, it has reached somehow 0.6, and it can cross $1. As you can see that it has a lot of potential in this project. It has been listed on BitHum, OKX, BitHum Global, Hotbit, Bittrex. So these are major exchanges to get listed on. It's ranked as 828 on the CoinMarketCap. Here it's Epix, and here it Epis. I don't know why. Load up the coins every day. Okay. So Epis platform provides service to help effective node management and to deliver better access to blockchain incentive system. Okay, so they are helping in making nodes and blockchain technology for user. They offer a new experience. They provide and consult the blockchain technology that is friendly both to a developer and a user. Decentralized finance. Epis aims to build a decentralized finance crypto economy which can link blockchain system and real economy. So that's good, like they are making a bridge between blockchain and fiat currency. So that's good thing. So this is their use case. So this was all of the tokens that are on top 10 of top gainers in today's date, which is June 9. So if you want more videos like that, you can comment here, and if you want to make to a video on any of these specific tokens, as you can see on in number 10, so I can make it for you, and it would be fully detailed everything. So just pin down the comment and like the video. And if you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.